Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Fun little project, kind of makes it look like it's disappearing into the darkness. Pretty easy to make, but I decided to make the video because you can learn a few steps here. Let's take a rectangle and let's make it 1 inch wide. Let's set our nudge factor on 2 inches. I'm going to Control D and move it down. And you could do 3 or 4, however many you wanted. Take these, go ahead and group them together, Control G, and click on it and hit right here to the skew and skew them down. Then all we have to do is Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the control button. Grab that two-sided arrow and go like that. Now, I'm going to pretty much use the same colors. It worked out pretty well. I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to use that color right there. And on the other side, I use the dark blue. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go and select everything, and we're going to right-click No Outline. And then we're going to take these are still individual pieces, get your interactive fill tool, and go from there downward, and let's put black on that edge. Now, you could do the exact same thing on all of them, but when you slide this you don't have any really control. So what we can do is take the attribute eyedropper, take a sample of that, and do the exact same thing to all of them. Now we'll do the darker blue. You can't use the attribute eyedropper because it's going the opposite direction. And like I said, you could reduplicate that, but you couldn't reduplicate this. And then just take your attribute eyedropper, take a sample of that attribute, basically what it is, group this together, Control G, and hit P and put it in the center of the page. Let's bring in some indexing lines. You know what? Let's make it a little smaller. And then while you start moving it and while you hold down the control button, it'll go right to the straight top. And let's go Control D and make a duplicate. Click on it, get the center rotation and move the center rotation to the center. Rotate it 120 degrees. Control D, 240 degrees. And then the whole key to the whole thing, let's take away our indexing line, is to take a black box, take it black, so I'm going to left click with black fill, go up to Object, Order, Backup Paint, and see how it makes it look like the boxes or whatever they are kind of falling into the depth of the black. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.